Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive chat in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now select the chat which you want to archive. Long press on it. Now you have to press on this option. So this is how you can archive your chat in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.